Previously, we have seen how to enter into the editing mode for a course, and we have also added a welcome message to our students. In this lesson, we are going to jump into the meat of the course layout and customize exactly how we want our course to be structured. Now, by default, when you create a new course, if you do not have any changes, Moodle will create a course with a weekly format with a weekly formatted sections for your course with 10 weekly sections starting from the default start date of the course. While this may be suitable in some cases, for our course, this is not how we want it structured. I would like this course to be structured from a unit topic, which could conveniently reflect different chapters on a textbook, for example. And also, I want 9 sections instead of the default 10. Now, there are two ways in which I could do this. I will first enter into the editing mode as shown before. The slightly inefficient way for me to do it at this stage would be to edit every section and custom create every section, and then perhaps also delete the one extra section. Instead of this, I have another way to do the changes, and that is to edit it to the course level. I will first start by going to the Edit Settings link on the course administration on the administration block. This page is the central page where you as the teacher can edit various important aspects of the course you are teaching, starting from the course name, description, and literally all other aspects. The course format is what we are interested for this lesson, and let me expand this section. You can see there are some options available for you to manipulate, and these are in fact dynamic depending on what format that you choose. Moodle provides 4 ready-made formats out of the box. Let us look at them one by one. The first format type is the single activity format, and this can be helpful, for example, when the entire course is structured around a project. The next format type is the social format, where a single class-wide discussion forum forms the activity around which the entire course is then structured. The third option for us is the topic format, and this is what we are interested in. The fourth format is the weekly format, and you have already seen this earlier. So for now, I will change over my selection to a topics format, and we see that the page has refreshed dynamically even without my having saved the page. The remaining 3 options that are available to me have changed below. I can further set the number of sections, which I will now change to 9. I can also configure how hidden sections behave to students. I will keep the default, which shows their presence to students, but they cannot interact with hidden sections. Finally, as the last configuration, I can select how the sections appear in the course homepage, whether all in one page or have a tabbed structure where each section appears in its own tabbed page. I really like the non-tabbed default, so I will not change anything else. Now, once I have done this change, I will have to scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Save and Return button. If you do not do this step, the layout will not be changed. Now, finally on the course homepage, we see that the entire structure of my course has changed. I now have the unit-based sections which I can then customize exactly to my curriculum. The course formatting tools are very powerful, and it is important for you to become familiar with how each format works. This will save a great deal of manipulation at a later stage when you can make the course look exactly how you want to run it.